Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And you can swipe left and right on this panel to scroll through the pages. Find the theater mode icon. It looks like a movie clapper, like this. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. This will bring you to the theater mode page, and here you can enable or disable the mode. And also you can select the duration for how long the mode should be enabled. You have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. Select the one you like. And basically, if you select, for example, 3 hours, the theater mode will stay on for 3 hours and then turn off automatically. What the theater mode does is basically it turns off the always on display, rise, wrist to wake, system sounds, alarm sounds, and timer sounds. Okay. Once you're done enabling the mode, you can go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see this icon which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you can wait for the duration of time you selected for the mode to turn off automatically, or you can open the quick panel again, scroll through the pages, tap on the icon to disable it, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.